How to set up a Wix store for digital products. To do that, start by uploading your digital file you want to sell. Here's the step to upload your digital file. Go to Products in your site's dashboard, then click the Add New Product. Select Digital File, click Upload File and select the type of digital file you want to upload. Note, file must be uploaded by site owner, not by a site collaborator. And then select or upload the file and click Add to Product. Next thing you need to do is to add the basic product details, such as the name and product description. Then, enter a description of the product in the description field. Maximum 8,000 characters including HTML tags. Next step is add a product image, GIF, or video that represents the digital product you're selling. The most important, if you're selling an image, you can add a watermark. To add product media, select an option. Number 1, click Add Images to add images or GIFs. Number 2, click Add Videos to add a video. Click Upload Media to add images, GIFs, or videos and select the relevant media. And then click Add to Page. The next step is option, but you can add helpful product information that customers can view on the product page. To add an information section, click the Add an Info section. Enter the title, then you can either choose Add a Text, enter the relevant information and use the text editing toolbar to format the text, or add a table, click the table icon to add a table. And lastly, click OK. For the next step, we're going to add in the pricing section. You can enter the product price and optionally add a sale price. To add a pricing information, first is enter the product price, then the next step is another optional, but you can add a sale to the product. Enable the on sale toggle. Choose between click the price icon and enter the amount of the discount. Or click the percentage icon and enter the discount percentage. After that, enter the sale price directly in the sale price field. And enable the price per unit display, as a tip price per unit is usually relevant for physical products. Then, enable the Show Price Per Unit toggle. Under Total Product Quantity in Units, select the relevant type of unit, e.g. ounces, from the drop-down. Under Total Product Quantity in Units, enter the Total Product Quantity in Units, e.g. if you are selling a 5-ounce jar, enter 5. Next, under Base Units, enter the unit you want to measure by, e.g. enter 1 ounce to display a price per ounce. And another optional are the costs of goods. Since this is a digital product, you don't need to track specific inventory amounts. You can, however, add an SKU to your product and set the product as in stock. To set inventory options, disable the Track Inventory toggle. Select In Stock from the Status drop-down, optional, enter an SKU. And last step, click Save to display your product online. And that's all. I hope you find this helpful to you, and if yes, comment your opinion and experience about it. Also click like and subscribe if you don't mind, but that's it then. Thank you.